Hi, my name's Jacqueline Nash from the Yoga House. Just a quick reminder to hit our subscribe button so you'll get updates when we post yoga tutorials and yoga videos. Today we'll be learning how to jump from crow into Chaturanga dandasana. The first thing that you need to do before you can work on this transition is you have to be able to fully execute both crow and Chaturanga dandasana. Now before we begin, I want you to just think about the movements of energy in crow pose. The hands push down, the seat lifts up. When we go from crow to Chaturanga, the movement of energy now goes from down and up to forward and back. Very commonly, people just think about the energy moving back and they can't quite lower down to get that heart reaching forward. So the first thing that you'll need is either a blanket, or you could also try this with socks on, but you have to do it on a smooth floor, like we have a wood floor here, or maybe some tile floor. So we're going to start out on the blanket. Hands are going to come down, bringing the knees onto the triceps. Okay, so we're coming into crow. So as I'm here, my hands are pushing down, my seat is lifting up. Now to make that transition, I'm going to bring my feet onto the blanket, just a little lift to get my knees off the triceps, and as my feet come back, my heart comes forward and the body lowers. Elbows bent. Okay, one more time. Knees to triceps. Then the feet come down. I get a little lift of the knees. I push down into my hands, lift my knees away from the triceps, feet go back, heart goes forward, and we lower. Okay. In fast motion or in real time. Okay. And then eventually, as we feel confident with that, we get rid of the blanket. Hands come down. So I'm pushing down through my hands, hips lift. Then I get a little lift to take the knees off the triceps and the feet shoot back as the heart goes forward. Okay. So those are some tips for you to work on jumping back into Chaturanga from crow. Just a quick reminder, hit the subscribe button, get our updates on yoga tutorials and yoga videos. Thanks so much, yogis. Have fun. Stay safe.